What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. Love bugs everywhere already. Alright, and today, what I'm doing is I'm heading to Georgia. So this is going to be the first road trip with the Q. While I'm there, I'm going to try to hook up with some of the homies, meet up with them, see what's up. Possibly get a meet in or two, but we'll see. But yeah, this will be the first time with the Q in general going on a road trip, but also this is gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be interesting because it's bagged, as you know, and I got the wheels on still. So yeah, let's get ready to hit the road. And we're starting the trip off dirty. Would have been silly kind of cleaning it before hitting the road, but see how we looking now, see how she holds up. I don't have a spare tire or space for the spare tire, so did decide to put this in here just in case, but we will see. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump on the road. It's the ride height. I guess I'll be trying out eco mode. Alright, so made a stop already. Eco mode feels horrible. I guess it's gonna get the job done. I've been pretty much in city limits for the most part, so I'll see how it feels on the highway. But for now, I'm not a fan. But yeah, it should be for highway driving anyway, so we'll go ahead and do that. By the time you see this video and it's uploaded, I will be in Georgia. If you watch it when it's uploaded, of course. But yeah, I should be here for about a week or so. And yeah, I'll see if I can link up with any of you. If I find out any events or anything going on, I will go ahead and post it on social media. So make sure to follow me, Too Fitted on Instagram, and I'll have it posted there. The link will be in the description for that as well. Alright, I stopped to get food first, and about a little less than half a tank's left, so figured I'd get some gas while I'm stopped. But sheesh, I think I just got into Georgia. Yeah, the prices at BJ's is a lot better than that, of course, but so far the car is riding pretty good. No issues at all yet, knock on wood. It's feeling pretty good. Cannot wait to get this clean because it is looking horrible. But yeah, just doing a quick little check-in. Oh, guess I'm full. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't take that much, so. But yeah, quick little check-in. About to jump back on the road. Alright, so I meant to pick the camera up the last time I stopped, but ever since, I don't know, lately the car has been getting a lot more attention. That truck is pretty loud. But yeah, like I was saying, it's been getting a lot more attention. And the last couple stops I had, I was getting so many questions by random people who was at the gas pump next to me. But what I wanted to say was eco mode, while it doesn't feel great, it definitely feels a lot better than when I first started driving in it. I guess I had to get used to it a little bit, but I am almost to my destination, and I'm not going to be on the freeway much anymore, so I'm probably going to take eco mode off. But it did pretty decent. I got to look at the stats and everything to see exactly what it did, but had me a little worried. I didn't know what that was. But overall, yeah, didn't do too bad. Feeling pretty good. holding up pretty well. While I'm here, I believe I'm going to be linking up with some of the homies if we have any events planned. Like I said, it'll be on Instagram, so you'll be able to hit me up there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this last little bit knocked out. Alright, so made it here. One piece. So it's a bit dark, as you can barely see. Grandmother's car that my brother's driving mostly. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. That way I can get it uploaded and have you guys informed that I'm here in Georgia. But before we end the video, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave one down below. And who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.